Hello guys, in this video I want to show you the real secret behind the food earnings track business structure. By this you will know if it's some Ponzi scheme or scam stuff. After carefully decoding the earnings structure, you can clearly see whether this is a business you can truly rely on and if it can sustain what it promises over time. Let me break it down step by step. Once you register, you must understand this. It is very compulsory to bring in 3 people. These 3 people will also come in with 1,000 naira each, making a total of 3,000 naira. Out of that 3,000 naira, the system pays you 1,000 naira immediately, and the remaining 2,000 is used to upgrade you to stage 1. Now here is the key. The same thing happens with the 12 people under you, your 3 direct referrer plus their 9 second generation, making 12 people in total. Now stage 1, each of those 12 people also contributes 2,000 towards upgrading. That makes 24,000 naira in the system. I hope you understand how I will come about the 2,000 naira. From the 3,000 naira, you are paid 1,000 naira immediately. Now from this system, the system rewards you with 6,500 naira in your stage 1. You are left with a balance of 17,500, which is used to upgrade you to stage 2. Now at stage 2, your 12 people also move to stage 2 with 17,500 each. That's a total of 210,000 naira in total, and you are rewarded with 40,000 naira. You are left with 270,000 naira for upgrade to stage 3. Now at stage 3, your 12 people also moves up with 170,000 naira each. That's a total of 2,040,000 naira, and you are rewarded with 150,000 naira, leaving you with the balance is 1,890,000 naira for upgrade to stage 4. At stage 4, your 12 people also reaches stage 4 with 1,890,000 naira each, and that's a total of 22,680,000 naira. From this, you are rewarded with 9.5 million. The remaining, which is 13,180,000 naira, is kept in the system to sustain it and keep rewarding members. Guys, can you see how realistic and sustainable this structure is? The company always has enough money left while still paying members massively. And this is why it has lasted for years and continues to run successfully. This is not an ROI scheme. This is not a Ponzi. This is a well-structured business model that is affordable to everyone because it starts with just 1,000 naira. And here is the exciting part. Many members have already reached stage 4 and earn millions. This can be achieved within 3 to 4 months if you and your team follow the simple duplication strategy. There is even a video explanation that breaks down how to reach stage 4 in just 3 months by following the right steps. So now that you see the secret behind the system and how it sustains itself, the only thing left for you is to take action with your 12 people, and it's really that simple. Guys, this is truly mind-blowing. A real system, affordable, sustainable, and rewarding. So the question is, are you ready to be part of this? If you are ready, I'll see you at the top.